Hi again. Okay, Maddie, the next lesson I'm going to give you is the 5 chain. The reason why I'm going to give you the 5 chain lesson is because I really need you to start skip counting by 5s. Because when we tell time on a clock, like I told you today, in between these numbers, 12, 11, 10, there are 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Altogether, in 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. So I really want us to master skip counting by 5s to 60. I have my 5 chain out, and I'm going to send it home with you. It's going to come home in a box like this, and it's going to have the 5 chain. The numbers do go higher than 60. It actually goes all the way to 125, because 5 cubed is 125. We'll get to that later though. So, when you have your 5 chain, I do want this done on a rug. And I want your 5 chain neatly put down on your rug in a straight line. Then you're going to find these counters, Maddie. Under each bead, you're going to put the counter. This says 1. I'm placing it underneath the 1 bead. 2. 3. 4. 5. Now, when I say skip counting, I mean that you're going to skip numbers in between other numbers. So instead of finding a 6 and a 7 and an 8 and a 9 and a 10 label, we're just going to count with our fingers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And you're going to put that underneath the 10 bead. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now I want you to look at your fives chain, and I want you to work on skip counting just like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Stop. Now, when you do this lesson, if you wish to count further than 60, that's perfectly fine. But right now, I really, really, really want you to master skip counting by fives to 60. I also I thought this would be a little bit of fun for you. Instead of just counting, I got light blue because light blue is the color for 5. And I got some pony beads. And I got some pipe cleaners. What I want you to do, Maddie, is you are going to pick up one bead at a time, and you're going to string it on your pipe cleaner. 1, not all the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you have 5 beads on your pipe cleaner, I want you to pick up one of the cream beads. This is going to separate your 5 beads. And you're just going to slide it down. 5. Now, I'm going to do it again. How many beads am I going to put on, Maddie? 5. That was 1. 2. 3. 4. 1 more. 5. And remember, to separate our 5s, we're going to use this bead. And Maddie, I want you to make your pipe cleaner. I want it to count all the way to 60. So you're going to keep putting light blue pony beads in 5s. Then you will take one of these tan pony beads to separate. And when you're finished, I want you to be able to skip count on your pipe cleaner by 5s all the way to 60. This may take more than just one pipe cleaner, so I collected quite a few for you, just in case. But this is the skip counting lesson, and driving down the road, in the bathtub, when mom's in the kitchen cooking, when dad's relaxing, reading a book, you can say, I really want to practice skip counting by 5s, okay? And Maddie, when you do this, research shows that it stays in your brain and you retain it better if you move while you do it. So that's why Miss Nikki said 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Stop. This is your 5s chain. And this is how you're going to master telling the time on a clock. I will get your next lesson ready and send it to you. I'm having so much fun, Maddie, and I'm so glad that we're doing this together.